Hello everyone, this is Gary Bennett at xcelMe.com. I'd like to have just a 2 or 3 minute introductory video with how to access the xcelMe.com iOS training forums for developers who have purchased the courses and the training material that go along with it. It's real easy to go ahead and access the information. There's 2 ways to do it. You can access it at forum.xcelMe.com or www.xcelMe.com. I'll show you here in just a second how to do it. As well as on the forum, you'll be able to access the live the live webinar information and the on-demand courses, which are the recorded sessions from the previous live recordings. So you can watch them anytime, day or night, as often as you'd like. Also, on the forum is where to access the information for the books and training material, as well as how best to post questions and contact xcelMe.com if you have any questions regarding the training, questions that you have for the instructor, or just questions on how to access or a particular piece on the forum too. So to do that, just bring up any browser and go to xcelMe.com. And kind of scroll down, you'll see a link down here that says the xcelMe Training Center and Forum. Or you could just type in forum.xcelMe.com without the www in front of it. All right, the first link here is the link that you'll probably use to access this video. It has the instructions on how to access the classes, this typed out for you to print out for your own records, as well as the video that you're watching right now. However, the key points on the forum are where the courses are located. When you log in with your username and password, it usually takes, maybe 3 or 4 hours after you purchase your course, you'll receive an email with your username and password. You'll use that to access the forum, and from there you'll have access to the courses that you've purchased. So let's just say you purchased the Objective-C 2.0 course. Simply go ahead and click on the topic, and you'll see all the recorded sessions here, as well as posts for that students have made, questions that they may have had or discoveries that they found. They'll go ahead and post, and other students and myself will answer it for the student. At the very top, you'll see book for course, and if you click on that, you'll have the course material for that particular course. So in this case, it's one book, and then we give you various options on how, if you want to buy it from Amazon or download the ebook, the PDF file from Apress, you can go ahead and do that. Some books are available on the Kindle or iBook for the Mac, and so I provide those links as well. Also, all the books are available at your local bookstore as well. Prices range anywhere between $15 and $40 depending on how you buy it and what format you buy it in. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to this particular course. Go back to the Objective-C 2.0, and we'll just look at maybe the first recording. So if you want to access the information recorded, you can, which is simply the last live session that was recorded, both audio and video. You can go ahead and do that. It will have the date that it was recorded, and we can go ahead and hit the play button here. We can watch it in the small window here, or we can also, let me turn that down just a second. You can also make it full screen. I recorded in high resolution so that you can go ahead and watch it full screen and see the text as it's been typed. It buffers here for you. Let me turn this down. It will buffer for you, and depending on your internet speed, it takes maybe 15 or 20 minutes to fully download, but typically, again, depending on internet, your high-speed internet access, you can watch it live without having to pause it or anything like that. So, and it's all within your web browser. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to install anything. Typically, everything that you have runs in either Safari, Firefox, or heaven help you, Internet Explorer. So anyway, this is the very first course. I usually always give background information, how to be successful, things that you're going to need for the course, and what to expect for the course. So that's what I'm doing here at the very beginning, and kind of jump ahead here if you'd like as it's downloading. All right, so let me kind of escape out of that and make it to a smaller format. Additionally, all the courses have, and each class has a handout. This is basically the PowerPoint presentation in hard copy that you can download. And then for this particular class, class number 1, all the questions that people may have had and me trying to answer them and other students answering them. So anyway, that's how you can access the recorded information as well as post questions and read other posts if you have a question during that night's class. I try to answer them as best I can too, and students weigh in and extend the threads with other questions and answers as well. If you want to take the live class, simply go to the GoToWebinar registration information and click on that, and you'll see a link here. You'll have the times when it is, and you'll see a link where you can click on, and you'll fill out you'll enter your email address, and GoToWebinar will send you the link and a reminder every night before the class with the latest link so you can access it. Again, all you need to do to access the live sessions is have access to a web browser, high-speed internet access, and some speakers. You can, if you like to listen in and not use the speakers, you can use your telephone line or your cell phone and dial a toll-free number to listen to the course. All right, so we'll head back here. So again, you'll have access to the courses that you signed up for, and this is the main point where you go in order to access the live sessions or the recorded sessions, post questions, and also look at what other questions and answers that previous students or current students have, as well as answers that I've posted for them. Additionally, you can contact us anytime at www.xcelMe.com. There's a place there, contact us, on our homepage. Bring that up for you. You can click on contact us. I'm usually, or somebody's online that can answer your questions there. Or you can email us at support@xcelMe.com or call us anytime at 480-776-9111. We look forward to having you as a student. If you have any questions, let us know. We want to make sure that you're going to be a successful iOS developer, and we look forward to working with you.